Okay, let's continue to simplify rational expressions. And I'll start with the one on the left first. We have negative 3a minus 1 all over 6a squared minus 2a. Now, here on the bottom, I can actually factor out a 2a from the expression, right? So 6a squared divided by 2a is 3a. And negative 2a divided by 2a is just negative 1. Interesting. Look at this. We have a 3a minus 1 here on the top and a 3a minus 1 at the bottom. So just to make things neat, I'm going to put a bracket around this 3a minus 1. And now I would like to do something with this negative here. I'll just make it a negative 1 actually. I said actually like 20 times. Negative 1 times 3a minus 1 all over 2a times 3a minus 1. Can I do that? Yes, I can do that every time, whenever I want. If I have a negative fraction, I can just bring a negative 1 up top here and get rid of that negative in front. So that's kind of convenient in this case. So 3a minus 1, 3a minus 1, these guys can just cancel out. And the answer would be just negative 1 over 2a, which is also equivalent to just negative 1 over 2a as a fraction. So that's it. But both of these can be considered the right answer. So let me go over to the right here. N minus 1 over n squared minus 2n plus 1. There's nothing I can really do with the n minus 1, so I'm just going to leave that. But here at the bottom, n squared minus 2n plus 1, I will factor that. If we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 1 and add up to negative 2, those numbers will be just negative 1 and negative 1. And of course we have an n here and an n over there. Interesting. So we have n minus 1 over n minus 1 times n minus 1. So here's what we can do. We can actually just cancel these out. And what are we left here on the numerator? Just a 1. If everything else cancels out, there's just a hidden 1 here, right? Multiplying everything. So the 1 stays. So we get 1 over n minus 1, which hasn't been cancelled out over there. And that's it. That is the fully simplified form of this rational expression.